Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys tired of Wi-Fi dead zones at home and workplace? We have a solution for it. In today's video we discuss complete setup of the Yosisky Wi-Fi Extender using the WPS push button. This setup process contains only 2-minute setup. The Yosisky Wi-Fi Extender is a small device that helps boost and extend your existing Wi-Fi signal to areas where the internet is weak. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reconfiguring it, this guide makes the process quick and hassle-free. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. In the first step, take your Yosisky Wi-Fi Extender out of the box. Plug it directly into a wall power outlet near your main router. Do not use extension cords during setup. Wait for the power LED light to turn solid. This usually takes about 30 to 60 seconds. If lights are blinking randomly, wait until the device stabilizes. The extender must fully boot up before pressing WPS. Go to your main Wi-Fi router. Look for a button labeled WPS or a symbol like counterclockwise arrows button, 2 arrows forming a circle. The WPS button is usually on, back panel or side panel. If you cannot find a WPS button, your router may not support WPS. Press the WPS button on your router once. The WPS indicator light will start blinking or flash for about 2 minutes. This means the router is now searching for devices to connect. You now have 2 minutes to press WPS on the extender. Within 2 minutes of pressing router WPS, press the WPS button on the Yosisky extender. The extender's WPS/signal light will start blinking. Wait 30 to 90 seconds. During this time, the extender is copying your router's Wi-Fi name and password. No need to enter password manually. After 1 to 2 minutes, the extender's signal LED will turn. Solid green/blue means strong signal or stable light means connected. After successful connection, the extender will create a new Wi-Fi name like your Wi-Fi name _ext or your Wi-Fi name _2.4G_ext. Some models keep the same Wi-Fi name. Check available Wi-Fi networks on your phone to confirm. Once connected successfully, unplug the extender. Move it halfway between your router the area with weak signal. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.